Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Dent Puller Kit and 3 reasons you should get this. Now, dents, reason number 1, dents occur to things more than cars. I had the kids playing around the house one day and they got a little rambunctious and managed to put a good dent in the dryer. And I knew what it was going to probably cost to get the dryer person out there, because I tried pulling the front panel off and it wasn't going to come off for me. But using these 2 little suction cups, for lack of a better frame, or dent pullers, it took a couple of different tries of where to put them. But I was able to get that dent pulled out and Mama's happy. So that saved a call to the service person. But if you are going to have dents of fairly good size, you might need to get a little bit bigger one. But that's just going to be something that's going to take some experimentation with. Reason number 2. This gives you the option of trying to do the repair yourself. Now I kind of glazed over this one a little bit in reason number 1. But the more you can do yourself, A, it's going to save you money, and it's going to keep the repair person you have to call in free for more serious calls or for those that aren't able to do things for themselves. Reason number 3, it allows you to pick up things that don't have a good gripping surface, like a filing cabinet or a block of metal, something like that. Using something like this or a little bit larger will help you pick that kind of thing up and move it around. Even if you're just moving a metal filing cabinet a few inches, having something like these would allow you to kind of lift up just a little bit so you're not dragging across the floor and scratching the cabinet and the floor. So take a look at this one and start thinking about how you can use something like this, because I think you'll be surprised with how much you'll actually end up using it.